Hello friends, in this video we are going to take a look at this question. So let's read the question. It says that if the incenter of an equilateral triangle is 1, 1 and the equation of its one side is 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0, then the equation of the circumcircle of this triangle is. Okay, so first of all, okay, they have given the incenter, okay, of equilateral triangle. So this is an equilateral triangle and the incenter is given to us. Okay, and where is the incenter? Incenter is this 1, 1. Okay, so suppose this is the incenter. So incenter is formed by angle bisectors, right? So these are the angle bisectors. Okay, sorry, yeah. So this will be your angle bisectors. Okay, and they will form your incenter. So this is your incenter, and they are saying that you have to find out the circumcircle of this triangle. So circumcircle is what is drawn outside, right? So so for circumcircle, okay, you need to draw the perpendicular bisectors, right? But okay, if you notice, let me just first draw the perpendicular bisectors also. So it will be something like this, right? So this is one perpendicular bisector and this is the second one. So the special case, okay, is actually that okay, so these are three perpendicular bisectors and the point where they're intersecting is your circumcircle. So since this is an equilateral triangle, okay, what is what is the difference in this case? So in equilateral triangle, the incenter, okay, and the circumcenter both are going to be same, right? Because all these points, okay, in the equilateral triangle, what is happening? So if you have an equilateral triangle, okay, your incenter, okay, and your circumcenter, okay, and also center and everything, okay, they are going to coincide, right? They are going to coincide. So the point is same. So that means, okay, we don't have to find out what is the circumcenter. Okay, this incenter is only the circumcenter also. This is the circumcenter also. So now what do we have? Okay, so let me just make it a little clear. So what are we having is we have the circumcenter, okay, and circumcenter is say 1, 1. Okay, it is given in the question. It's 1, 1, and then they are asking us, okay, and they have also given that one of the side of the equilateral triangle, say this side, okay, the equation of this side is 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0, and then you have to find out what is the equation of this outer circumcircle. So what we are going to do is, okay, so we can use, since we have the center, okay, we can use x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square plus is equal to r square, right? So this is the equation of the circle, okay, but how do you find out? Okay, center you know is 1, 1, but what about this r? Okay, this you will have to find out. Okay, so what you can do is, okay, do this. So join this, okay. So since this is equilateral triangle, okay, okay, so this is your angle bisector, okay, yeah. So what will happen? Okay, angle bisector intersection is in center, right? So this is also 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees. So consider this triangle, okay. So in this triangle, okay, let's mark this as A, B, C, okay. So in triangle ABC, you know that this is a right angle triangle, okay. So it's like this, A, B and C, and this angle is 30. So if this is 30 and this angle B is right angle triangle, then can you find out, okay, what is the value of R, right? We can find that out. Okay, how we can find it out? So this perpendicular, right, this perpendicular distance we can find out from straight lines, right? Because this is 1, 1, right? C. So since this is 1, 1, you can find out the distance of a point from a line, because the line is also given to you, 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0, right? So find out CB. Okay, the CB is going to be what? Let me write it on a new sheet. So CB is going to be like this. So your CB, okay, will be, CB is equal to, so distance of the, so this is the line 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Put 1, 1 in this. So it will be 3 into 1, 4 into 1 plus 3 and root over 3 square plus 4 square. So this is going to give you CB. right? So this is how much? 3 plus 4. So this is nothing but that point formula, right? So this is the point, okay, this is the line, okay, then how do you find out? Okay, so so if this is the line ax plus by, okay, plus c is equal to 0, and if this is the point, say x1 y1, okay, then what do? You just place this, okay, in order to find this distance d, you place this point in this line, right? So you get ax1 plus by1, okay, plus c, and root over a square plus b square. So this will basically give you the perpendicular distance, okay, this d distance. And same thing we have done here. So this will give you 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, divided by 3 square plus 4 square root, so 5. So this will be 10 divided by 5, this is 2. So 2 is this value, okay. So let me go to that circle. So we have found out, okay, that this value here, okay, is equal to 2, okay. So this value CB, okay, this value is nothing but 2. And so if this is 2, okay, and this angle is 30 degrees, okay, can I write like this, okay, that sine of 30 degrees is equal to, so sine 30 is going to be CB upon BA, right? This is CB upon BA, right? And CB we just calculated is 2, and BA, oh, not CB upon BA, it's CB upon CA, okay, just correct this, CB upon CA. Yeah, so CB upon CA, right? So CB we calculated is 2, okay, we just calculated, and CA is nothing but R, right? So sine 30 is what? Okay, sine 30 is 1 by 2, okay. So just replace sine 30 with 1 by 2. So this is what we are getting, okay. So from here I can write radius is nothing but 4. So radius also we have, okay, and center also we have, okay. Center is 1 comma 1 and radius is 4. So now it is very easy, right? Let's go back, okay. So we have center, okay, as 1 comma 1 and radius is equal to 4. So what is the equation of circle? X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 4 square. So now you can expand this, okay. So what are we going to get? So let's do the expansion. So we're going to get x square plus 1 minus 2x, okay, plus y square plus 1 minus 2y, okay, and is equal to 16, okay. So, and here will be x square plus y square, let me just write it properly, okay, sign doesn't seem to be right. So it is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y, and this is 1, okay, this is 1, and here we have 16. So this will be minus 14 is equal to 0, okay. So this will be the final answer. So this sign is actually minus 14 is equal to 0, right? So our correct answer is option number D, okay. So that's the answer, and this is how we solve it. Thanks for watching.